It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're at 189 Logee Street, Unit 1L, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment for rent. First floor. Starting our video tour. Kitchen area here. Beautiful new tiled floors throughout. Custom lighting. Plenty of room for a good-sized kitchen table. Beautiful countertops, plenty of cabinet and countertop space. Dishwasher, undermount sink, state-of-the-art gas stove, built-in microwave, big windows for plenty of natural light. Get your back entrance there that leads onto parking. Built-in shoe rack and coat hanging shelf. Stainless steel refrigerator. Good sized pantry closets. We face the living area here. Very spacious, beautiful ceiling fans. Off the living room, you got bedroom number 1. Big enough for a queen, possibly a king set. Good sized closet there. Straight ahead, the other side towards the front of the house, you got the second bedroom, also big enough for a king set. It's a separate entrance there. It does go out to a shared front hallway that goes out to the front of the house. And also off the living room, you got the bathroom. Gorgeous tile backsplash, state-of-the-art shower head. Brand new vanity, custom lighting here as well. And then you have brand new washer and dryer in unit. Plenty of storage space. I'd like to apply for 189 Logee Street, Unit 1L, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult want to fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.